Right, here we go. Front door.
Sorry.
Max. So this is your front room. We haven't tried the TV yet. Internet works perfect, absolutely really good. It's got a DVD player. And if it does get a bit cold and that, there is an Only Fools. No, it's not. It's Back to the Future trilogy. And what's good about this place is no dining table. What it's got a breakfast bar, which is absolutely fantastic. Meets with what Max likes. This is the kitchen, so you can put stuff under there, which is great. They've put their so this is the kitchen. Max has just used the washing machine, and it's super quick. It hasn't got an oven, but I think that's an air fryer. We did cook a pizza last night. Unfortunately, we overcooked it, and it was broke one of Max's teeth. This is the bathroom cum toilet. She's really fantastic. Take it into Max's room first, as you can see. So of course, Max has got the double bed. And this is my room. Single bed, or two singles. I chose that one last night. I might move. Bit worried that they didn't have enough power points, but I've noticed on the lights they've actually got where you can plug your power point. That's looking out to next door's rear patio. And let me take you. No, I can't, because I need the front. But that door there, okay, leads out to that patio. It's got a barbecue kettle, so you can have your barbecue. So this is where we're staying until a week today, next Sunday. Not sure when I'm going to post this. Might try and get it out nice and early. Max is just finishing off hanging out the washing, and then we're going to go and have a nose round Lidl.